माछा मार्यो होइन अब गहुँ राख्यो माछा नगरे बिरुवा खोलामा बल्ली बल्ली थियो अलिअलि मारे पनि होला
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Angela. Happy birthday to you. Angela, how was your birthday?
It was good.
It was my first time I got to celebrate her birthday with her. Oh my god, my eye is still red. I don't know when it's gonna go. So basically, we're on our way to eat newari food. This is like some Bikina place. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. Scary. Newa lahana. This is toila and aloo. Oh, this one is nice. This is jura. This is toila. This is butter. Butter. So it looks like that inside. Then you dip it in here and eat it. Bye bye cat. Oh my god, chak dehayo malai. Oi, chak dehanta is naughty. Basically, me and Didi are in food coma right now. I can't freaking breathe. And I feel so yakka. But the food was nice. I'm going to sleep when we got home. Time lapse for fuck's sake. Anyway, I was just saying the place is called Newa Lahana or something. And it's in Kritipur. Anyways, yeah, so if anyone wants to try Newari food and they come Nepal, then you should go to that place because the food was like really nice. And my favorite is that bara thing. Yeah. And it's so piro. But it was nice. This is Kritipur. Oh, this is cute. So we just went to this Korean restaurant in Tomel and now we're gonna go get ice cream. There's yours. I didn't do much talking vlogging because my legs so awkward like it with you. But we went Korean barbecue in Tomel. I don't know what it's called. And then we went to get ice cream for dessert. Guys, I dyed my hair. It's like a red underneath, but I'm not done yet. Oh my god, my roots are terrible. Whatever. Anyway, today we're going out to eat. We're going to this place near our house. I don't know the name, I forgot. Abode or something like that. You'll see when we get there. Going in, it's Nomad, not whatever I said it was. I cannot get one decent selfie. I look disgusting. I'm having vanilla milkshake. Dee is having